Good mornings. Firstly, I want to thank those people who try their level best to make life better for others. Before today, this day, 8th May, is just like another day in my life. But going through the reasons behind the celebration of World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day, I must say this day is not a normal day, rather a very special day. This day teaches us how to take care of people in distress, and I salute those 97 million volunteers of International Red Cross and Red Crescent societies and other national societies, especially Indian Red Cross Society, for their relief operations and humanity services for the people trapped in natural calamities and disasters of wars. Thanks to Henry Dunant, who organized people to bind the soldiers' wounds and to feed and to comfort them during bloody Battle of Solferino, Italy. The Red Cross was born in year 1863 when 5 Geneva men, including Henry Dunant, set up the International Committee for Relief to the Wounded, later to become the International Committee of the Red Cross. Its emblem was a red cross on a white background. When people of world were suffering from aftermath of World War I and World War II, the volunteers of Red Cross were helping out the sufferers and victims of war. After Geneva Convention and Tokyo Proposal, League of Red Cross Societies renamed the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies in 1991. First time officially Red Cross Day was celebrated on May 8, 1948. The title World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day was changed over in year 1984. There are now 190 recognized national societies, one in almost every country of world. In India, Indian Red Cross Society was founded in year 1920. The founder of this movement was Henry Dunant, who was born on 8th of May 1828. He was known for his social work and was first recipient of Nobel Peace Prize. International Red Cross and Red Crescent Society received 3 times Nobel Peace Prize is a record. In last, I, on behalf of my institution, KM Public School, pay my regards and thanks to International Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies for their humanity services and welfare services. I do remind you all to follow social distancing, hand wash, use sanitizers, and remind you all to help others in such a difficult situation arising due to spread of pandemic COVID-19. Thank you all and have a good day ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Shagun. I am in 10th standard in KM Public School Bhiwani, and I am here to present a speech on the topic of World Red Cross Red Crescent Day. So as you all know, World Red Cross Red Crescent Day is celebrated annually on the principles of World Red Cross Red Crescent movement. It is celebrated on 8 May each year. It is the birth date of Henry Dunant, who was the founder of the International Committee of Red Cross. He was also the recipient of the first Nobel Prize. There was an initiative taken. That initiative was known as World Red Cross Cruise. After considering the principles of cruise and its applicability of the regions of the world, World Red Cross is finally adopted. It is first celebrated on 8 May 1928. Then, after many years, it is officially titled as World Red Cross Red Crescent Day on 1984. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Good morning to all. My name is Kumar. I am from 9th standard. Today I will tell you about World Red Cross Day. This day is also celebrated through blood donation and also Volunteer Day. The purpose of celebrating this day is to make people aware of Red Cross Society. 8th May is the birth anniversary of Red Cross founder Jean Henry Dunant. In India, this day was established in 1920 according to the Parliamentary Act. The Red Cross Society has won the Nobel Prize thrice, in 1917, in 1944 and in 1963. On the other side, community health programs, interviews, talk shows on radio and television are organized at the international level on World Red Cross Day. All Red Cross programs and activities are guided by the fundamental principles of humanity, neutrality, independence, voluntary day, unity and universality. International World Red Cross Society has saved many lives. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
I am Gunjan from class 10 of KM Public School. Today, I am being honored to speak on the World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day. My dear friends, in their respective speech, told you all about the day, its celebration, and the main humanity approach to start the celebration of this day, that is 8th May. I am enlightened the approach of International Red Cross Society and Red Crescent Society in today's scenario of pandemic COVID-19 outbreak. The International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement continues to focus on containing the spread of pandemic while at the same time addressing the deterioration in vulnerable people, livelihoods and communities, social cohesion, and above all protecting, assisting and advocating for the most vulnerable. The International Committee of the Red Cross ICRC and the International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent Society IFRC are jointly launching their revised coordinated appeals. This document grounds their separate yet coordinated appeals in a common narrative. Together, the IFRC and the ICRC are appealing for 3.1 billion Swiss francs to respond to the COVID-19 pandemic and its socio-economic impacts. These coordinated appeals build the previous ones. Jointly launched on 26 March 2020, they aim to respond to the emerging scale and scope of the current and projected impact of the crisis. The overall objective of the COVID-19 operation is to contribute the reducing loss of life while protecting the safety, well-being and livelihoods at the most vulnerable people. This revised emergency appeals highlights a continuous focus on the work of national societies to deliver this response. The operational framework for the COVID-19 response is set out according to the 3 operational priorities. Number 1, curb the pandemic, sustaining health and WASH. Number 2, tackle poverty and exclusion, addressing the socio-economic impact. Number 3, strengthen national societies. Thank you all for listening me.
Dear teachers and dear students, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. Well, my name is Ishan. I am from class 8th. Today, I am going to tell you about some points related to World Red Cross Day. World Red Cross Day and Red Crescent Day is annually celebrated on 8th May. It is an annual celebration of principles of the International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement. 8th May also marks the birth anniversary of Nobel Peace Prize laureate Henry Dunant, who was born on this day in 1828. Dunant was the founder of International Committee of Red Cross. He was also the first recipient of Nobel Peace Prize. The first celebration took place on 8 May 1948. Thank you.
मैं तनीषा 10th केएम पब्लिक स्कूल की छात्रा हूँ। आज मुझे खुशी है कि मेरे अध्यापकगण ने मुझे मौका दिया है कि मैं आज आपके समक्ष वर्ल्ड रेड क्रॉस डे व रेड क्रिसेंट डे के बारे में आप लोगों को जानकारी दूं तथा आपको इस दिन को मनाने के पीछे कारणों से अवगत कराऊं। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय रेड क्रॉस और रेड क्रिसेंट आंदोलन के सिद्धांतों को मनाने के लिए 8 मई को हर साल विश्व रेड क्रॉस दिवस मनाया जाता है। इस दिन लोग रेड क्रॉस वॉलंटियर्स को जरूरतमंद लोगों की मदद करने में उनके योगदान में श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं। यह दिवस 8 मई को हेनरी डुनेट की जयंती पर मनाया जाता है, जो रेड क्रॉस की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समिति के संस्थापक थे। रेड क्रॉस सोसाइटी का मुख्य उद्देश्य मूल रूप से किसी भी समय और परिस्थितियों में सभी प्रकार की मानवीय गतिविधियों को प्रेरित करना, आरंभ करना और प्रोत्साहित करना है। रेड क्रॉस सोसाइटी द्वारा आयोजित कार्यक्रमों को मोटे तौर पर मानवीय सिद्धांतों और मूल्यों के प्रचार सहित 4 भागों में वर्गीकृत किया जा सकता है, जिनमें आपदा प्रतिक्रिया, आपदा तैयारियां, स्वास्थ्य और केयर शामिल है। रेड क्रॉस सोसाइटी 7 सिद्धांतों मानवता, निष्पक्षता, तटस्थता, स्वतंत्रता, स्वैच्छिक एकता और सार्वभौमिकता पर आधारित है। इंटरनेशनल फेडरेशन ऑफ डे रेड क्रॉस और रेड क्रिसेंट सोसाइटी ने ट्वीट के जरिए कहा, दुनिया भर के कुछ देशों में पहले से ही वर्ल्ड रेड क्रॉस डे क्रिसेंट डे है। कोविड-19 से लड़ने वाले दुनिया भर के वॉलंटियर्स और कर्मचारियों के लिए आज और हर दिन उनके लिए तालियां बजाएं। इसलिए मैं आपसे प्रार्थना करती हूं कि आप लोग जो फ्रंट लाइन पर कोविड-19 की वैश्विक महामारी से लड़ रहा है, उनके लिए एक बार जोर से तालियां बजाएं। आपका धन्यवाद।
I am Tanuj from class 10th of KM Public School. Today is the Day of Humanity. All across the world, societies are engaged in social work and doing service of humanity without any profit, are celebrating this day. I am being honored by my school to provide me an opportunity to speak on this day. My friends try their best in their speeches to describe the motive and purpose of celebrating this day. I am going to tell you how these societies of well-being are getting worldwide attention. Here I am detailing you with theme-wise yearly celebration. Starting with the year 2009, it was change in climate and its causes on humans, which serve as today's cell phone use. In the year 2010, it was city. In the year 2011, it was search for the volunteer which is inside you. In the year 2012, it was move of the youth. In the year 2013, it was be together for the reason of humanity. In 2014, it was get together for everyone people. In year 2015, it was together for humanity. In year 2016, it was everywhere for every people. In the year 2017, it was less known Red Cross stories. In the year 2018, it was memorable smiles from all around the world. In the year 2019, it was #love. In the year 2020, it was keep clapping. As you all were aware of the situation of pandemic COVID-19, this year's theme has not been selected. But I think we must follow social distancing, wearing masks and using sanitizer as a gesture of today's celebration. And do remember to help the needy person and support our nation in this noble cause. Thank you all for giving me your valuable time.